Here I have Dongfeng Box, and let me show you how to turn off all exterior lights. So imagine a situation when you would like to just simply switch off all your exterior lights, so you can do it by using your settings. Let me start from the beginning, so let me start by using your home screen. Here let's use the apps icon, which is located in the down right corner right here. As you can see, here you've got a few options. Let's choose the vehicle settings, so the one with the car icon. Then let's choose the light tab, so this is like the second tab from the left, and select here exterior lights. As you can see, here you can use your auto lights, as I have right now, or you can choose off the one on the left to completely turn off the lights on your device. I mean the exterior lights. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.